So this is the new mobile setup, KG6AJH, in a 2005 Subaru Forester. I got this very inexpensive head unit. It doesn't fit perfectly, but it fits almost perfectly. But it was only $10. It had pretty good reviews, so I pulled out the old head unit, which didn't have Bluetooth or anything. Got this installed. Then the lower DIN socket, I just got an empty DIN pocket, which fit this yaesu 1500M, and the mounting bolts that go straight through the radio. Is just a matter of drilling some pilot holes, putting the right bolts through, drilling some holes in the back. Obviously you got to pull the whole dash out and everything, but once you get everything run, the power, antenna, all that kind of stuff, it fits in there perfectly. So I've got 50 watts on 2 meters, and I've got my little microphone holder here. For the antenna, I have an NMO mounted quarter wave from Tram. It was only about 15 bucks. And I tried to avoid doing the NMO mount, but when I started to explore the options, it's really the best way if you're gonna do a permanent mobile install. You could unscrew the antenna if you need to. The coax is run through the roof. I accessed the roof through the dome light, moved the dome light out of the way, and got down to the sheet metal. Came through there, and then as you can see, it's super clean. You can't see anything. Ran the cable in the ceiling over to here, pulled this thing down, grabbed the coax out of there, ran it along here to this pillar, and then I pulled this off and ran the coax down there, and then behind the dash, under here, and then to behind the radio. So you can't see anything at all. It's probably the best type of mobile setup that you can get. Nothing in the way. Also, I've got the MFJ clear tone speaker installed up here with all the wiring behind all the trim pieces. And obviously I can change the angle if I want. I wanted it as far out of the way as possible. And I can break the squelch so you can hear it. Whoops. Can break the squelch so you can hear it. Decent speaker, more than adequate for what I'm doing. So that's my little mobile setup.